in a position to proceed with the recordings. As indicated earlier, they're short snippets of a larger audio clip. Witness C, can I confirm that you are there and can hear us? Witness C?
Witness C, please unmute yourself.
Thank you, commissioners. You were muted on your side. I couldn't hear. I could see that you were talking, but I couldn't hear anything.
Thank you, Witness C.
Thank you.
Witness C, in the continuance of your evidence under theme 5 relating to the arrest of Mr. Matlala, we are going to play one clip for you. You earlier indicated that the source of these clips is your interview of the 14th of May. We're going to play the clip and ask you a few questions thereafter.
May I place something on record, but only if what we were told outside still pertains, which is what's going to be played will still not be that audible. May I just place something on record?
Indeed, Chair.
Yes. Those amongst us here who can, without disruptions, listen to the live streaming, they are at liberty to do so. And those who are in a position to strain their ears and try to hear what they can, they may do so. And as I understand, after each clip, either before or after, you will briefly tell us what it's about. Ms. Mushasedi.
Indeed, Chairperson.
Thank you. Let's proceed.
Thank you. Witness C, we're about to play the first clip. It relates to the subheading Minister Mchunu.
Thank you, commissioners.
The minister, first of all, was by the minister. Whereas you just told us you funded the flight and stuff.
Yes, meaning it's biting me from one moment that's my dad. That's why I can say. I was thinking about I'm looking at my food. You can open and see. I'm going to get a gig in Winston today to Brown Hotel. Stay this to the minister. So I did that January 8th. They even on my bank statements, I think you see them. I hope I didn't come back. Right? My bank statements, you see, I hope I didn't come back. Flight, accommodation, I got them manual, entertainment.
You get them how cash or you?
No, going in our office was safety. This company was a how. If you see a company called how, you can be very excellent to take money. So, yeah, something how large is one. Yeah. No, I'm saying it's a name of a company.
Yeah. Your company is like how large PTY your.
Didn't pay attention to those things.
So when if unsachele to patela through your
Witness C?
Yes, commissioners.
Witness C, were you able to hear the recording? Was it audible on your side?
Yes. Yeah, it was audible on my side, commissioners.
Please don't explain what it says. Let's just continue. And where we have questions, we'll put questions. And those parts that are not in English, I assume we'll get translation.
Translation for them, indeed, Chair.
Yes.
Indeed.
Thank you. Not all of us speak Setswana. Some of us do.
Witness C, thank you for confirming that.
Witness C, can you tell us who are speaking there?
Thank you, commissioners. There will be me, witness C, and witness B, and witness A, and Mr. Matlala.
Thank you, Witness C. What was the question posed to Mr. Matlala? What was the subject matter of the issue being discussed there?
The subject matter there was the issue pertaining the funding of Mchunu on pertaining the January 8 for his delegates to Cape Town.
And what did Mr. Matlala indicate in the clip that he specifically funded for January 8?
That he had paid for the accommodation, flights, and entertainment. And the bank, his bank account can show that.
Thank you, Witness C. And the contents of this clip then accord to your earlier evidence as presented about the funding by Mr. Matlala for the January 8 delegates?
Can you repeat that, please?
Not a problem. Does the excerpt of the recording accord or is consistent with the testimony that you gave earlier about the funding that Mr. Matlala gave for the January 8 conference?
That is correct, sir. It corresponds.
Okay. Thank you, Witness C. I'm then going to play a second portion of the same clip.
Can you please take us to the beginning of this one, the one that's been played? I want, like when the first speaker speaks, I want Witness C to identify for us who that speaker is. And then the next speaker, who that is, until all of the speakers in a clip have been identified. I don't know whether it's practical not to replay the whole thing, but if it's not practical, then it means a total replay.
We're in a position to do that.
Please.
Okay. I'll just ask for a second that we rewind.
Thank you.
But now,
there are two people speaking over each other. One sounds like a woman and the other one a man.
Witness C, in light of the chairperson's question, are you able to identify the two voices in the clip? One sounds like a female.
Yes, commissioners. The female is witness B, and the male is witness C.
whereas you just told us already, you funded the flight and stuff. Yes, meaning it's biting me from one moment that's my dad. That's why you can not get it. I was thinking about that. You can open it to see.
And that one?
That one, it is Mr. Matlala.
You think the gig was in today to Brown Hotel. They say this to the minister. So I think that January 8th,
even though my bank statements are you can see them. I hope that they come back. Okay. My bank statements you see. I hope that they come back. Flight, accommodation, then money or entertainment.
You give them how cash or you
No.
I can hear the still witness C and Mr. Matlala. Did he count only the three?
Witness A, B, and C in the room, as well as Mr. Matlala.
I don't remember. I don't remember him identifying the voice of witness A.
I apologize, Chairperson. Maybe let me put the question to the witness. Witness C, please then identify for the commission the voices of the individuals that we've heard thus far.
Up to this point, witness C, have we heard witness A?
Not yet, commissioners. If you just, from where you paused, if you just proceed, witness A will will make a clarity on the version by Mr. Matlala.
All right, thank you, please.
This company with if you see a company called Howlak, you can have a very excited to take money. Howlak, yeah, something Howlak is one. Yeah. I'm saying it's a name of a company.
Your company, Howlak, PTY, your
Didn't pay attention to those things.
So when
Thank you, Witness C. We heard a voice that you identified as Mr. Matlala make specific mention of a company called Howlak. Can you confirm that you heard that?
That is correct, I heard that.
And then please inform the commission of the role that he says this bank account played in the issue of financial support.
That is the company that Mr. Matlala will make payments through to his bank account.
And this account was then used in support of the delegates for the January 8 conference. Is that correct?
That is correct, yes.
And a final question on this score, Witness C. What is the relevance of the bank statement that Mr. Matlala referred to in the recording?
It is that should we go on to the bank statements, then we will get those payments for the flight tickets and the accommodation.